Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just some quick hauling. This first one is from Bead Craft Chick. She's on Instagram, but she has a shop as well, like a website. And I needed some findings for my wire bead wrapping shenanigans. So I picked up some head pins from her and they were only $1, you guys. So great deal. So I picked up some gold ones. They have the little loop on them. And then I picked up some silver ones that have the little like loop that you can make like a dangle when you're making your little wire wrapped beads. You can hang something from the very bottom of it as well. These ones have like the flat, like kind of like a nail would be, like how you would hammer it. So that stops the bead from sliding off without having to use a seed bead, because that's a big little circle at the bottom. So I love that those are bigger. Here's some gold in the circle eye pin. These are called eye pins. When they have the circle, it's the eye pin. And then I picked up some Hey Santa pieces because the shipping, the price didn't go up if I added a couple more things. So I was like, let me just get doubles of some Hey Santa that I already have. And then I also, look at, I didn't even realize that I had this one as well, this silver of the head pins to make some more wire wrap beads. So that's it for that haul. Next, I picked up some storage containers from Harbor Freight. I get these for my sequins, and I was just going to show that they did change their box. The main box that holds all the little compartments changed, not the individual ones, but I was trying to make sure that they weren't like thicker or anything else in between. Same size, same everything. But if you notice, look at the little tabs changed. So the one on the left is new, the one on the right is old. The old one is exactly like the little mini ones, just that little flap. And sometimes that's what you need just for like the little containers, but the actual compartment, look at, they're big, they're sturdy, they're way thicker, and they literally like snap on. You can hear it like clunk, snap, and you got to pull to get them off. I mean, it's not crazy hard to get them off, like if you have carpal tunnel or anything else like that. It's just more sturdy, if that makes sense. It's not harder, it's just a nice strong grip, if that makes sense. I'm sure somebody's bolts and nuts went flying at the at their garage and they updated it. Next is from Leland Crafts on Etsy. I think that's the name of it. But she sells the Mintopia brand of dies. And these were in Frank Garcia's studio. And they were sold out like day one or something like that. And then I saw Poochie Tats on Instagram share that they had them on Etsy. So I ran over there and got them. Not that I needed them, but they're just so cute. They are from Spain. The designer is from Spain. Look at the cute mint color. It is a shaker. These will be so cute in like a Halloween theme. That's what I was planning on doing with them. And then summer, even Valentine's Day and stuff, I think super cute. And then look at the bow one. Bows, yes. And then bow shaker, even more so, yes. Super cute again with the mint. Loving these dies. Very happy that I went through and purchased them. All right, that is it for my hauling, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video.